Hello everyone to my channel LearnAakash. Now today we are going to learn about comment and escape sequence in Python. This is the step-by-step series towards learning Python programming. Now let's open idle. So what is comment and escape sequence? Let's learn it. First go to new file. So comment is anything that program eliminates from the program. Now how can we write comment? To write comment you need to write the hashtag before anything. You can write anything here. Now this is going to terminate. We'll learn about comment in our upcoming videos too, because it is very important. Okay, and now let's learn about the escape sequence. What's the escape sequence? And after that we'll do the program of Python and escape sequence. Okay, we are doing. Now let's learn the escape sequence. Escape sequence we have is /n for new file, /t for tab, /quotation, single quote, double quote, and slash. These are the escape sequence that we are going to learn. What are these escape sequence going to do? We are going to now see in our program. So let's start the program. Let's start with the comment. Now we are going to learn about comment and escape sequence. Also about 3 quotes in Python. Okay, these are the comments that Python eliminates from the program. Now let's write the print keyword and 3 quotation as we said. Now we can write anything here, like I'm going to show you. Let's open this Lambda. I have already written this one. Let's copy it and let's paste it over here. So why I'm doing like this is by using 3 quotes, Python knows that and it prints the exactly same as we write inside the 3 quotes. Now let's save this file. Control S for save. Let's save it to desktop. Python. Let's write comment .py. Okay, now let's run it. Yeah, have a look. And let's write input function to see from the command line as well. Please press any key to exit. Let's save it. Now let's start another file, another program using escape sequence. Use of escape sequence. Print quick brown fox sums. Oh wow, the very lazy job. Okay, now we have written that our quick branch box sums about the very lazy job. Let's print that one, and let's print with our escape sequence as well. So /a is gonna produce sound only in the command line, not in the interpreter cell. Now we are going to just copy paste this one here, and we are going to write what we like, /n/t. Okay, /n, that's it. And let's write the input function. Press any key to exit. Now let's save it in the desktop. Python. Let's write it escape.py. Now let's run it. Yeah, we can have to see it cancels the new line. Here tab again, new line. Let's enter it, and let's open this from the command line. The one is comment. Yeah, we can have a look here. We can see here, and we can open escape file as well. Yeah, that sound comes because of that /a. Now let's press enter key to exit. Alright, thank you. If you like this video, then please like, comment, share and subscribe my video, and don't forget to press the notification icon so that you never miss my any upcoming videos. Thank you.